Are you waiting for a piece of pizza? Get your nose out of there. Yummy pizza. Okay, sit. Sit. Let's see which one is for Wilson. This one looks good. All right, buddy, it's hot. Okay. It's hot. You can eat it now if you'd like. Yummy. Okay. Take a swig of my iced coffee. I'm addicted to them now. I get an extra shot of sugar cane in it. It's so good. Okay, so today I need some advice from any mechanics out there. Millwright would even work too if you have an idea, because you guys are pretty much in the same. You just do industrial equipment. My phone is slipping. So I went over my paperwork today regarding my brakes. 70% of the time they are squealing, so it's minimal sometimes, and sometimes it's more excessive when I come to a stop. The front right passenger brake seems to be middle and middle, so I have the papers right here. I'm going to read out what I had done. First of all, 6 hours labor at $150 an hour. So it's $600 in labor to do my front brakes. And it says here that front brake package, that's what they're saying they've done. They did 2 brake pad sets, premium rotor at 2 of them, brake caliper bushings at 2, brake caliper bolt kit at 2, and 2 wheel seals. $988.91. So just basically shy of $1,000. Got it done March 8th. So today is June 17th. I don't want to deal with these guys anymore, and I really don't want to go to somewhere else and pay out. I don't know, I'm sure these guys inflated the price quite a bit. From what I can tell, from phoning around, and I'm thinking probably $500 to $700 to get it done again. So it's like I'm going backwards. I don't know. We've got, I think something like 100 millimeters of rain that's supposed to come this week. So we don't really work in that kind of weather. I'm just like, you just start getting ahead and you're on a roll, you're planning out your budget, and I've got all this, every month I've kind of got everything, you know, figured out what I need to get done for that month. And so come November 1st or whatever, depending on the weather too, I'll have everything done, a little bit of savings for the winter. So this is not good. Every week counts. So if anyone has any suggestions, like I said, I really don't want to go back there to these guys because I'm sure they'll figure out a way to suck more money out of me. And yeah, I'm really not sure what to do. The front brakes were part of my vehicle safety inspection. That's why I had to get it done, and they signed off on it. And this is apparently the work that needed to be done. And when I phoned in about it, they said, well, the calipers were bad and I should have had them replaced. Well, if it's for a vehicle inspection, you would think that they would have included the calipers, excuse me, the calipers for part of the work that they did. I don't know. Any suggestions would be appreciated. Tomorrow is chore day, kind of, sorta. We've got laundry and cleaning and groceries to do. And I've got a stove picked out so I can start buying some food and having some different kind of meals. I'm tired of the meals that I have been. Well, I mean, if you just think, if you're in your house and you don't have a fridge and you don't have a stove, think of the diet that you're left with. It gets very boring. So that's where I'm at. Low on energy too. I've been sleeping a lot, and I just want to get things built out. But it'll all work out eventually. You can't change the weather, you can't change a lot of things in your life, so you might as well not whine about it, right? So yeah, any suggestions that anyone could leave in the comments, or any tips of what I could put in my bag of tricks when I go in there this week, because I'm sure we're going to have a few rain days. And I really should go in and confront them with this issue. I just really don't like things like this to deal with, but who does, right? And I had the banking situation to deal with, which was dealt with, and I'm quite happy with the outcome of everything. So there's that, right? Everybody have a really good night. Stay positive. And this too will pass, my mom used to say. We'll chat with you real soon.